Forget magnesium supplements. This food builds muscle and kills sarcopenia. Most seniors over 60 are told to pop a magnesium pill every morning to keep their muscles strong. But what if I told you that advice might be failing you? The truth is, magnesium supplements alone can't stop muscle loss, not even close. Your body needs more than a single mineral to truly rebuild muscle and fight the slow decline that comes with age. There's one simple food that quietly outperforms most store-bought supplements. It helps your muscles relax, repair, and grow stronger, naturally. And almost nobody talks about it. In this video, you'll discover exactly what that food is, how it works inside your body, and which two everyday foods could be secretly blocking your muscle growth without you realizing it. Let's start from the beginning. Why magnesium really matters after 60. Magnesium is one of the body's most underestimated nutrients, especially when it comes to muscle strength. Many people think sore legs, weak grip, or slow recovery are just part of getting older. But that's not the full story. One major reason seniors lose strength is that their muscles can't fully relax. Every time you walk, stand up, or bend over, your muscles tighten and release in perfect rhythm. But when you're low on magnesium, those muscles stay tight too long, like clenching a fist and never opening it. Blood flow slows, nutrients can't reach the fibers, and your body struggles to repair or build new tissue. Over time, your legs start feeling heavy, stiff, and weak, even if you're eating enough protein or staying active. To make things worse, our bodies absorb magnesium less efficiently as we age. So even if you're eating magnesium-rich foods or taking a supplement, your cells might still be running on empty. Most seniors need about 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium every day just to keep their muscles functioning normally. Yet typical diets fall far short. And most supplements on the shelf aren't the solution. They're either underdosed or missing the co-nutrients your body needs to actually use that magnesium. Magnesium acts like the key that tells your muscles it's time to rest, recover, and rebuild. Once your levels rise, muscles finally relax, circulation improves, and oxygen and nutrients rush in to repair those tiny fibers. Without enough magnesium, no amount of protein or exercise can deliver real strength gains. For seniors, it's not just about avoiding cramps. It's about maintaining independence, balance, and the ability to do what you love every single day. So how do you get enough, naturally? Let's reveal the first powerhouse food. Number 1. Cooked spinach, the forgotten muscle protector. Cooked spinach is one of nature's quiet miracles for people over 60. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides roughly 157 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 40% of your daily requirement. Even better, the magnesium from spinach is absorbed about 1.5 times better than what you get from most pills. That means your body actually uses it instead of flushing it away. But spinach is far more than magnesium. It's loaded with folate and potassium, 2 nutrients that work hand in hand to calm inflammation, speed muscle recovery, and help your body turn dietary protein into lean, functional muscle. So if you're already eating eggs, chicken, or protein shakes, adding spinach helps your body make the most of that effort. Science agrees. In a Harvard study tracking nearly 3,000 seniors for 4 years, those who regularly ate magnesium-rich leafy greens kept more muscle mass, had stronger legs, and stayed more active than those who didn't. Mediterranean families have known this for generations. They often serve lightly cooked spinach with olive oil, garlic, or lemon to keep their elders strong well into their 80s and 90s. Preparation is easy. Don't overcook it. Steaming fresh spinach for 2 to 3 minutes preserves the nutrients. Add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. For breakfast, toss it into a feta omelet. For lunch, Mix it into creamy garlic chicken. For dinner, pair it with shrimp over brown rice. Adding spinach to just one meal a day can ease nighttime stiffness, promote restful sleep, and help you wake up feeling lighter and stronger. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds, the small snack with big strength. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they pack a serious punch. A single handful, about 1 ounce, gives you 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium, nearly half your daily need. Even more impressive, the magnesium in pumpkin seeds is bound to amino acids, which means your body absorbs it faster and uses it more efficiently than the magnesium in most supplements. That's why many seniors notice results quickly after adding them to their diet. Less cramping, smoother movement, and better balance. But pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They're also loaded with zinc and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for muscle repair and hormone balance. Zinc supports healthy testosterone levels, critical for both men and women after 60, while phosphorus teams up with magnesium to rebuild worn muscle fibers after physical activity or a long day on your feet. Studies confirm it. Seniors who ate pumpkin seeds daily for several weeks improved their grip strength by over 20% and saw a 30% boost in total muscle function. That means firmer legs, steadier balance, and more energy to move. They're easy to prepare too. Roast them at 300 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt until golden. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on yogurt with berries, or toss them over salads for a satisfying crunch. Here's a pro tip. Pair pumpkin seeds with spinach. Spinach provides folate that helps your body use magnesium better, and pumpkin seeds supply amino acid-bound magnesium that your muscles absorb instantly. Together, they create a double boost for muscle relaxation and repair. But there's one more food that completes this power trio. One that might surprise you. Number 3. Chia seeds, the tiny warrior against muscle loss. They may look small, but chia seeds are among the most powerful foods you can add to your diet if you want to stay strong, balanced, and energetic after 60. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides about 95 milligrams of magnesium, roughly a quarter of what your body needs daily. But magnesium is only part of their secret. What makes chia seeds truly special is how perfectly they combine magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and plant-based protein. Together, these nutrients work like a repair crew for your muscles. The omega-3s strengthen muscle cell membranes and improve nerve communication, reducing cramps and improving coordination. The calcium and protein help muscle fibers contract smoothly and recover faster after any kind of strain, even just climbing stairs or gardening. Clinical research backs this up. In a 12-week study, seniors who added chia seeds to their daily meals increased their walking endurance by 19% and muscle power by 26%. That's a massive improvement for such a simple addition. And the history of chia seeds is fascinating. Ancient Aztec warriors carried them into battle as a source of strength and stamina. If they could fuel warriors through long days of combat, imagine what they can do for your morning walks or evening chores. To get the best results, always soak chia seeds before eating them. Add them to water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel-like texture. This helps your body absorb their magnesium and omega-3s more effectively. Once soaked, they become incredibly versatile. Stir them into overnight oats with almond milk and cinnamon for breakfast. Blend them into your lunchtime smoothie for extra creaminess and recovery support. Or sprinkle them over steamed vegetables or soups for a nutrient-dense boost at dinner. Here's where the real magic happens. When you combine cooked spinach, roasted pumpkin seeds, and soaked chia seeds, You create what I like to call a triple action muscle recovery system. Spinach helps your muscles relax and bring in oxygen-rich blood. Pumpkin seeds provide rapid magnesium and zinc for rebuilding muscle fibers, and chia seeds enhance magnesium absorption and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Together, this trio activates your body's natural muscle restoration process. You sleep better, move easier, and wake up feeling more stable and energetic. But there's something else you need to know. Even if you eat all three of these every single day, two common foods could secretly undo all your hard work. Let's talk about what they are. Two sneaky foods that block your magnesium. You could be doing everything right. Eating your greens, sprinkling pumpkin seeds on your salad, soaking chia every night, and still not seeing results. Why? Because certain foods silently block magnesium absorption, forcing your body to flush it out before it ever reaches your muscles. The first culprit? Soda. Yes, even the sugar-free or diet versions. Most sodas are filled with phosphoric acid, which binds to magnesium in your gut and carries it straight out of your system. That means the magnesium you just ate from spinach or seeds doesn't even make it into your bloodstream. One study found that seniors who drank soda with their magnesium-rich meals absorbed less than half the magnesium compared to those who didn't. Imagine spending effort on healthy meals only for soda to cancel half your progress. The solution is simple. Give yourself at least a 3-hour window before or after your magnesium meals to avoid soda entirely. Replace it with lemon water, sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice, or a soothing cup of ginger tea. Your muscles, bones, and joints will thank you. The second hidden magnesium thief: high-sodium breakfast cereals. Even cereals that appear healthy often contain 200 to 300 milligrams of sodium per serving. That's enough to trigger your kidneys to flush out magnesium before your muscles can use it. Research shows that seniors who ate salty cereals within 2 hours of a magnesium-rich breakfast had much lower magnesium levels and slower muscle recovery. The fix? Choose low-sodium options with less than 140 milligrams per serving. Or go for old-fashioned oats topped with fruit and chia seeds. This simple change can dramatically improve how much magnesium your body retains. Avoiding these two common foods may sound like a small step, but it makes a big difference. When you stop draining your magnesium stores, the spinach, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds you eat suddenly start working at full strength. Your muscles finally get the nutrients they've been craving. You'll feel the difference the next time you stand up, climb stairs, or take a long walk. Movements feel smoother, steadier, and more natural. Here's the truth. You don't need expensive magnesium supplements or complicated fitness routines to beat muscle loss. If you want to stop sarcopenia in its tracks and rebuild real strength after 60, focus on what truly works. Nutrient synergy from real foods. Eat cooked spinach, roasted pumpkin seeds, and soaked chia seeds every day. Avoid soda and high-sodium cereals that block your progress. This simple daily habit gives your muscles what they need to relax, recover, and grow stronger naturally. And the best part? It's safe, effective, and something you can start right now. No pills required. You might be amazed how quickly your body responds. Within a week, you could notice less stiffness, smoother movements, and more energy. That's your body telling you, thank you. Remember, growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. Your muscles still have the power to heal and rebuild. You just have to give them the right tools. So try this natural 3-food routine for 1 week and feel the difference yourself. And if you want to take your results even further, don't stop here. Watch my next video where I'll show you a proven way to boost arm strength by 31% without lifting a single dumbbell or doing push-ups. Click on that video now, and let's keep building your strength together. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another natural health tip from Feel Fresh 360. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.